Okay, we got our MV8800, and what I want to do next is I want to add some memory to my machine. I've got some memory that we sell here from our website, always packaged up neatly, and we're going to store some memory, extra memory, and increase the amount of memory we're going to have on our MV8800. We're going to max it out. So, let's turn it over first. Now, it's important to follow the directions that's on the back of the book or in the book under expanding your memory. You have to take out the screws that you're told to take out. So let me see here now. I have to leave this screw in, that screw stays in, this screw stays in, this one screw stays in. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 4 screws stay in, and I have 16 other screws to take out. I'll start with this one first. Pretty simple. Oh, good. Excellent. That's 5. Six. Okay, and then this is 15 and 16. Oops, get the last one out of here. Okay. Okay, and there we go. Okay. So now I'm going to take this out and put in my new memory. Let's make sure I'm grounded. I'm going to make sure we don't cause any shocks to happen. So make sure I'm grounded. So I'm clean, of course. And next I'll pull out this here memory out of here. Great. Got some brand new memory. And we'll install this and increase the amount of memory that we've got. Okay. Now this is 512, it's going to be the maximum. That's 512 right there. So, this right here. And next, I'm grounded. And this popped right out. See that? This popped out of there? And this is the original memory that came with our machine there. Okay. Now, we want to increase our memory. Match up. And we're good to go. So now, I'm going to put it right here in the slot. Right there, my slot. This one's firmly in. Oops, let me get started. It's in the slot. It's important to make sure you're in the slot. And all we do is we just push down. See? We gotta be in that slot. There we go. And now we're firmly in the slot with our new memory. That's 512, as I said before. As you can see, it slips right in there. And now, I'm going to cover it back up. I'm going to pull these screws back on. All 16 of them. So, here we go. Now I like to make sure my holes are lined up properly whenever doing this on any machine. So I start with my first hole over there, and my next one's right here. So I'll do this one this way. The further they're apart and they're lined up, they'll line up everywhere else, like in the center and every place else. So I'll just start making sure that the first one's apart and I can see all the holes lined up. Now the holes are lined up, I'm getting ready to put the rest of the screws back in and check the memory. Okay, now put my last screw in. And check to make sure my screws are in tight enough. I think I didn't do this one wrong, huh? Always check to make sure now. Make sure we don't miss a single trick here. If you want anything to happen or something to get up in our machine, I'm going to make sure everything's just right. Well, I checked all my screws and they seem to be in perfect condition. Now we'll flip it over